everyone, welcome to Xiamen Arabella Industry and Trade Company Limited. We are leading fitness wear manufacturer in Xiamen more than 10 years. My name is Bella. I'm Native Director of Xiamen Arabella Clothing. Today, I will show you around our factory. Follow me. This is our international sales office. Hi guys, welcome to our beautiful showroom. Our sample fabric handle. We have 10 sample free orders, and every month we can finish more than 1,000 pieces of 45 samples. And usually our sample time is 5 to 7 days, very short sample time. Welcome to our pattern maker. We have 5 pattern makers, and every month we can finish around 700 designs. We can do OEM and OEM designs. Our pattern maker can make patterns based on your pictures or templates, and we can also help you design any pattern you want. Let's have a close look of our patterns. Here is our warehouse. All kinds of our raw materials are in here. Let's have a look. This is our fabric shrinkage machine. With the machine, we can control the fabric size better than without the machine. As you see, we may do strange fabric, so we need to use the machine to control the fabric strange very well. This is our advanced fabric spreading machine. With the machine, the fabric can change very well. Here is our advanced automatic cutting machine. Here is our heat transfer machine. You can see all kinds of our sportswear with the heat transfer logo here, so you can see their working process. Okay, welcome to our production line. Have a look. We have 5 production lines, 2 with closed packing systems and 3 with normal speeding line. The clothing packaging usually with big quantities, and our normal supply usually with small quantities. So we are very flexible for big quantity or small quantity. And every month we can make around 200,000 pieces garment. So contact us. Okay guys, finally let's introduce our packing area and the inspection area to you guys. Time flies. Thanks to take your time to watch our video, and let's see you next time. Arabella strives for progress. Move your business.